Hey friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So in today's video, let's take a look at some gorgeous black and white home decor options for you. So a black and white palette, especially in terms of home decor, is both timeless and classic. It has endless possibilities, from really low-key and subdued to very striking and statement-making. So whether you are color phobic or color obsessed, this is a home decor color style that you are sure to love. So a black and white room is really high contrast. You are literally picking colors from two opposite ends of the spectrum, but it's also very low risk. It's super hard to go wrong with a black and white room. And let me tell you, the payoff far outweighs the stakes. And black and white decor is easy to pull off. It's very easy to update. Of course, it's easy just to zhuzh it up a little bit, add a pop of color here and there, which, spoiler alert, we will be having a video about that coming out pretty soon. But the best thing about black and white home decor, it's so easy on the eyes. Now, you can interpret and put your own spin on this two-note scheme, like seriously, a billion different ways. It works great with modern farmhouse, mid-century modern, art deco, of course industrial. There are so many ways to find that perfect balance of dark and light. So keep watching this video if you are interested in achieving this look in your home. Now, I do have to tell you, the one thing that I love about black and white decor, even though I don't have any in my home currently, and I say currently because it is something that I am definitely thinking about, but I love how versatile it is. You can have a black and white room. It looks very elegant depending on what home decor style that you fuse it with. So it can be elegant, like we stated before, it's timeless, it's chic. But then you can just say, oh, I want to decorate for summer and add a pop of teal or a pop of yellow in there. And all of a sudden you have a very elegant room that's also playful and that also brings a lot of the summertime hues and vibes in there with it. Having a black and white room is almost, in my opinion, like having a neutral palette in your home. So I feel like there are not a lot of tips and tricks that I can give you for this home decor style because it is so simple. But if I had to give you one, first off would be carefully choose your paint color. If you decide to have a black and white color palette in one of your rooms, you have to decide first off, do you want to go with a white paint? Do you want to go with a gray or off-white paint? Or do you want to go totally bold and choose a dark or black paint? So of course you're going to have some pros and cons for each paint color, starting with white. Of course, a con in some people's book is that it's very traditional, it's very, should I say, overly done. It's just normal. A lot of people in their homes, they like their homes to have their personality. So whether that's a little bit outside the box or not, they just like something different. But a pro for white paint could be if you try the black and white home decor color palette and decide, hey, it's not for me. If you choose another home decor style or color palette, you don't have to repaint. It's very neutral. There's a really good reason that a lot of homes here have white paint. It's because we can pick and choose to do this or do that. We have the ability to change our minds whenever we want without having to do a costly paint job that will go with our new home decor style or color palette. Of course, a con for a dark color would be that, hey, it's a dark color. Some people think that it draws in more heat, it makes the space feel really cold or closed off. It may put you in a almost dark, moody, depressed type of mindset or mood. Now, using dark paint colors also has a big impact for a minimal amount of effort. That's a huge plus, which means as if you had a white room, you would have to do a lot to kind of make it your own, personalize it, add some cheeriness to the room. With dark paint, spaces that have dark walls tend to need less decoration. Your wall is going to make the biggest impact in your room. You don't need a lot of other clutter or objects that catches your eye to really make a statement in that room. Of course, one of my favorite parts of the video, let's take a look at a couple of rooms who really nailed the black and white Decor color palette. So of course I had to start with the room that I love, you guys. So I would kind of call this room transitional modern, very transitional in terms of the chairs, kind of modern with that side table. Now they chose to go dark walls, which is pretty risky for some people in a dining room. However, there's so many bright white elements of this room that it doesn't feel dark, especially with all that natural lighting coming through. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the next two rooms in this little portion, guys. Black and white definitely gives you that elegant element, but there's tons of, like, a lot of almost Scandi influence in some of those wood and colors there. It's also very minimal, so if those are the type of styles that you like, you may love these rooms. So I also thought we should look at this room. Between the stark contrast of the black and white plus that gorgeous marble waterfall island, the homeowner didn't want to do or distract from all of that beauty, so they just chose regular acrylic chairs that almost kind of turn invisible. I also thought it'd be really cool to look at this room, guys. This is an example of you can have black and white, but this homeowner has chosen to put pops of color everywhere throughout the room, which kind of gives her a black, white, and green type room. I thought this was really cute, perfect for summer and spring as well. Alrighty friends, so we are near the end of our video, and if you have made it this far, you are a rock star and I appreciate you. If you want to, please take a moment to comment what you feel your favorite room was from the video down below in the comment section, or let me know if you like the black and white decor, and if you do, is this a style that you would have in your home, or do you already have this style in your home? I am interested in hearing your responses and your replies. Comment them down below in the comment section. I will be sure to comment you back. So I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below in the comment section. If you want to know mine, it is this gorgeous kitchen. I am in love. It's perfect to me. And as far as exterior, this house is just gorgeous. It's modern, it's elegant, it's just me. Alright guys, as always, thanks for stopping by, checking out another video. I appreciate you. If you want to see more content, click on one of these videos. I will see you tomorrow. Bye friends.